They say it happened overnight, but they don't see the endless hours, the unwavering focus, the gaze, the passion, the love for capturing these perfect shots. It's taking years of dedication and working behind the shadows to create a story that redefines Africa. I'm Canada Bricks, joining as we discover Africa from an entirely new perspective. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Perspective, where we bring you different places and different events all over Africa. And I'm here with Nigerian Navy, and I'm here on one of their ships. It's called the NNS Ibeno, and I'm here on a tour to Bonny Island.
In celebration of 69 years of unwavering service, I joined the Nigerian Navy on a ceremonial boat ride from Onne to Bonny Island.
Yes, because we are sailing. We are not supposed to be sailing with the flag flying. So instead, we will remove it. See there's a pennant there at the mast. It's that one that will hang there. This thing cause confusion. Shadows are enough for it because at night the ship now they move at night with their light. So there's a particular type of light you can exhibit at night when we are moving. And this one's what they exhibit when they are moving. So we know their size, we know where they are going to. Because this one is the ship's bed.
It was a distance of approximately 31.7 kilometers across the creeks and open waters of River State. It wasn't just a triple, it was an experience. The rhythm of the engine, the breeze brushing against my face, the unwavering focus of the officers on board, all told a different story of discipline and pride. Bonny Island came alive with flags, music, parades, and unity. For a moment, I wasn't just a filmmaker or an observer. I felt like a part of something greater, a tribute to the guardians of the Nigerian maritime domain. This short film captures the journey, the celebration, the spirit of the Navy at 69, from the heart of Onne to the shores of Bonny. This is a story of honor and heritage. as they mark 69 years of service, not from the sidelines, but on board their vessel, experiencing what it means to protect and serve from the sea. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of these videos.